Before clean rooms, before modern research laboratories, before advanced scientific instruments, there were lab goggles. Clear, protective, indispensable. They were never created to improve vision. They were designed to preserve it. Science has always involved exploration. Chemists combined unfamiliar substances. Biologists handled living organisms. Engineers tested powerful machines. Researchers pushed the limits of knowledge. But every experiment carried risk. A single splash, a flying fragment, or an unexpected reaction could permanently damage the eyes. The solution demanded more than ordinary glasses. It required complete protection. Early laboratory eyewear evolved from industrial safety glasses. As chemical research expanded, designers enclosed the entire eye. Soft seals prevented hazardous liquids from entering. Ventilation systems reduced condensation while maintaining protection. Modern laboratory goggles became an essential part of scientific practice. The science behind lab goggles begins with material engineering. Polycarbonate lenses provide exceptional impact resistance while remaining lightweight. Many lenses absorb harmful ultraviolet radiation. Anti-fog coatings maintain clear vision in changing temperatures. Indirect ventilation allows air circulation while helping block chemical splashes. Flexible thermoplastic frames create a secure seal against the face. Construction requires extraordinary precision. Optically clear lenses minimize visual distortion. Adjustable headbands distribute pressure evenly. Chemical-resistant seals maintain long-term durability. Scratch-resistant coatings preserve visibility. Carefully designed contours allow compatibility with respirators and laboratory masks. Every component protects the wearer. Every detail supports concentration. Throughout the 20th century, lab goggles became standard equipment in laboratories around the world. Schools introduced them during chemistry classes. Hospitals adopted them for clinical laboratories. Universities required them for research. Industrial facilities relied on them for manufacturing and quality control. They quietly became one of science's most recognizable symbols of responsibility. Psychologically, putting on lab goggles marks a transition. Curiosity remains, but it is accompanied by discipline. They remind researchers that every discovery deserves careful preparation. The greatest scientific achievements are built not only upon intelligence, but also upon safe practice. Today's innovations continue advancing protective eyewear. Anti-scratch nano coatings improve durability. Bio-based plastics reduce environmental impact. Advanced anti-fog technologies enhance visibility. Prescription-compatible designs improve accessibility. Smart protective eyewear with integrated displays is beginning to enter specialized research environments. Yet the original mission remains unchanged. Protect the scientist, so discovery can continue. Today, lab goggles are worn in research institutes, universities, hospitals, pharmaceutical laboratories, industrial facilities, forensic centers, and classrooms around the world. Their materials continue evolving. Their engineering continues advancing. Yet the greatest achievement remains beautifully simple. They protect the eyes behind tomorrow's discoveries. Every carefully molded lens reflects decades of scientific innovation. Every protective seal preserves generations of safety engineering. Every pair of lab goggles reminds us that progress begins by protecting the people who make it possible.